Hi everyone, Mark here, the technical lead within LinkedIn Leaders, the leading LinkedIn consultants for recruitment and candidate placement in the whole of the UK. In this video today we will continue our discussion on groups to help you position yourself as an authority within your recruitment niche. In our last video we looked at creating a group. Now this video we'll be moving on to building a presence within your group. Okay, as always we will start here on our LinkedIn profile page. Today we'll be using Rachel Meaden's profile. Rachel Meaden is our sales director here at LinkedIn Leaders. Okay, so first of all we'll look at posting a comment or a discussion within a group. So if we go just navigate here to our groups, if you just mouse over group, then you'll see your groups. We'll look at that. We'll click on it. Just wait for the page to load. Okay, so if we're looking at posting a comment, so let's have a look. If we go down here to see one of our groups, there we go, the Entrepreneur Lawyer Relationship Sales Network. Okay, this is a group Rachel was previously, she's a member of because she was previously within the recruitment industry for law. If we look here, okay, you can, how do you post a comment or post a discussion? So you've got the discussions tab here at the top. Start a discussion or share a comment with your group. So that's simply posting a comment. You type in here. You've got a character space of 200. This is just your title of your discussion, and then you can enter here more details. You've more characters to use here. This is where you get into more detail. You can add links to different pages, discuss in depth your discussion, whatever topic it is. If it's to do with recruitment consultants, is do you think the industry is growing or decreasing with the current economic climate? Whatever kind of discussion you want to enter, you enter in detail here. Remember, your foundation of your profile optimization is your 4 keywords. Remember, get your 4 keywords in here again. Remember, they are the foundation of your profile optimization. So 4 keywords again. So if you're going to enter a discussion, have the recruitment consultants, candidate placement, have words like that throughout it. Okay, so that's it. You can also click here on the Twitter. This will again optimize you as your personal profile and build a relationship over Twitter. Now, how do we comment on a post or discussion? Just simply click comment onto here. Rachel Meaden, what does she say? Hi everyone. Again, you can, if it is relevant, remember only use your keywords if they're relevant. If it's relevant, enter your keywords again, comment on it. You can click here, send me an email for each new comment. That's entirely up to yourself if you want to do that. If you do, that means that every time a new discussion or comment is posted, you will be notified. Okay, again, you've got the option of choosing Twitter. This again will optimize your reach, building your network, allowing more people, giving you more authority. If you're commenting, if it shows that on Twitter that you're commenting on particular discussions within LinkedIn, people will look at your profile and then end up adding you as a first connection. Okay, so we'll just untick these. We're not going to write nothing today. Okay, and a second point which is very valuable within groups is being a top influencer. So let's see, if we just scroll down to this on the bottom, usually about halfway down the page, right hand side, as you can see here, the top influencer of the week. Here we got Richard, Mike, and Suzanne. This is LinkedIn's new wee tool. It's a great way to build again branding, personal branding of yourself. Optimize your own profile. As you can see here, LinkedIn have used the data to analyze and say that Richard is the top influencer of the week within this group. That's a great achievement they have. Imagine if you had that within all your groups. Think about the profile you would build for yourself, the reputation you would have within your industry. People would look at you as a god within your industry. It's an amazing little tip LinkedIn have started to implement throughout the groups. Another one is jobs. It's a nice wee tab LinkedIn have added, which I think is very, very relevant, especially within the recruitment industry. So if you click on jobs, it's usually people can post jobs they have. Oh, as you see here, no, there's none here. But so let's navigate to one of our other groups. Uh, oh, okay. So if we go to recruitment consultants, is your provider working for you? That's Rachel's own group. Rachel's made. She's the authority within this group. If we look at members, how many members does Rachel actually have in this group? There's just short of 400, and Rachel's the top. She's the most sorted by most relevant. Rachel is the most relevant. She's the owner of this group. But as you can see, look, this week's top influencer is Sam Davis. That's excellent to see that Sam's doing that. She's commenting, keeping it up to date. And if we click on jobs, we say well done to Sam for being top influencer of the week. As you can see here, look, James. Hi all, I've posted several sites. I'm looking for a recruitment company. Here we go. Business developer recruitment consultants. Excellent package. Call here, Sam Davis. She's resourcing seeking experienced recruitment consultants. This is an our way to source jobs, source candidates, source placements. Great tool, LinkedIn have implemented. Okay. Well, that's us finished with grips. Just briefly go over what we've discussed in this video. We've discussed how to post a comment, how to comment on your post, how to post a discussion, and the top influencer. Sorry. Okay. Well, thanks for listening. And in our next video, we will move on to building a super connector network of 500 plus. We will look at how to build your super network and its advantages of it, how to boost client and candidate conversions. Okay, well, thanks for listening again. I'm Mark, the technical lead within LinkedIn Leaders, the leading LinkedIn consultants for recruitment and candidate placement in the whole of the UK. And thanks again. See you at the next video. Bye bye.